Good morning friends. Today what we are going to do is to punch holes in a plastic casing using soldering iron. So let's get started. We are having a soldering iron which is red hot, and now let us get started. I am having both the things, and as you can see the red light is blinking and it has been connected to the switch and the switch is on. So yes, are you ready guys? Now let us see what will happen. One hole punched, second hole going to be punched, and it is done and it comes out. Now the third punch on his way, and here it goes. Now has arrived out. Fourth hole on its way. Yes, and it's done. Fifth hole on its way, and here it goes and strives out. Now it comes out, and the sixth hole, yes. Now the seventh hole, and yes, and it goes. So you can see. So what we did is to punch holes in a plastic casing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.